How to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. For that, there is only one way to do it. First of all, open your WhatsApp application and open the group in which you want to add group members. Then hit on the profile name of the group from the top. Then, if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see Invite to Group via Link option. Simply tap on it and your group link will be copied. Then go through the user personal chat and paste this link over there. Whenever they open this link, they will be automatically added to this group. In this way, you can easily transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.